Oggi è una meraviglia! Oh, metti sto dopo, non mettere troppo qua perché poi finisce troppo d'aria. Oh, ti ho portato oggi... I love you, madame. I love you. I like fish. I like fish. Come on. Hey, look. Hey, look. Hey, man. I love you, man. I love you. Come on. Are you ready? Hey, man. Are you ready? Let's go, bro. Kiss me. Kiss me. Madame, are you ready?
Ciao!
Mamma mia. Buongiorno. Signora, venga con me, la faccio vedere la meraviglia. Guardi oggi che ti portavo. Oh, il tonno oggi ti ho preso. Ti ho preso il tonno, ti ho preso. Scusate, ti ho preso il tonno. Signora, oggi ti ho portato la meraviglia.
Addirittura stai andando in diretta.
Lo so, ci finisce per consegnare pure.
Ciao dear Sicily Lovers and welcome to the crazy world of the outdoor market. Ciao! It's a crazy world and we are enjoying a wonderful lunch with our group of the Sicily Lovers. Look at the table!
Io domani sera a Milano.
Assieme a me, signor!
Fatemi cantare.
No, dai a voi!
Vedi di là, che così ti inquadro.
Io ti portavo a specchio della bella coloro pieno.
They are enjoying parmigiana. We also have the pleasure to have the Queen of Crochet with us. We have a wonderful table. Gianca is eating. Gianca would like to toast with our friends. Ah, don't say nothing, you are eating, just to chew.
Lei è sempre la mia vita. Lei è la mia vita. Io ci lascio un bacetto se non ci posso suo marito qua, signore. Io ci lascio un bacetto, signore. Ci posso dare un bacetto? Un bacetto ci posso dare. Ci posso dare un... Lasciatemi cantare con la chitarra in mano, lasciatemi cantare una canzone piano piano.
Ma è vero, he's a professional. Hello everyone! We are enjoying one of the most traditional and funniest lunches in Sicily. Only in Palermo it can happen. Adriana, would you like to say something?
I just want to say this is the most wonderful Sicilian experience that anybody can have. The food is, I can't even explain it. Everything just tastes so much better than what we have. It's from the tomato sauce, the olives, the caponata, the eggplant. It's amazing, and it's such a company. Not to mention the company is better than anything.
So far we had olives, caponata, parmigiana. Now we are having the squid, the stuffed squid, and we are waiting for chickpeas and then croqueto potatoes,
Chickpea fritters.
chickpea fritters, and spincione as well.
The sponge pizza. Sponge pizza.
I'm waiting for
And
the
what
bread.
else? And the arancini.
And arancini.
The rice balls, the arancini.
Oh my
So the
God.
best is to
They're my
come.
favorite.
Oh my God.
My favorite.
They're gonna have to come
Tonight, for tonight, we go to the Palazzo Francavilla with the doggy bag.
Now they're friends. We're all friends.
Liz, say something about this surprise.
Of course she gets me when I'm trying not to cry. I had a wonderful surprise today. It's so awesome. This beautiful lady, Queen of Crochet, came just to see me, well, everybody too, and I was really surprised. I was shocked, and because she makes the most beautiful things. I have the bag, and the shawl, and another bag, and I have gloves. Even though I live in Florida, I ordered gloves. Tutto va bene. There you go. Oh, mi scusi.
A me mi mandò, signore.
He's my new boyfriend. It's a big surprise, and I don't want to start crying again, so can I stop saying? Say hello.
Hello. She's too shy. Io non parlo. Ooh, other food. As you can see, we are very happy with our Sicily Lovers family, and they are enjoying so much fun here in the crazy outdoor market. We are at the Palermo market, and we have a wonderful table with our Sicily Lovers special friends. And I would like to remind you that if you want to join the next edition of our Sicily Lovers Tour, you can visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com and book your next vacation, dream vacation with us. But only if you want to enjoy Sicily to the fullest. Oh! The only problem here in Sicily is that you have to eat so much, too much. You need to book a diet when you come back again to the States. And we have also the sfincione, the typical Sicilian pizza. And so they are enjoying these authentic experiences just inside the outdoor market. And now, guys, it's time to say bye-bye. So Gianca is here with me, and we can say all together, la...
Did you say something about the pane panelle?
Oh,
We invented the street food. You know, you have McDonald's, you have Big Mac. We used to have the chickpea fritters with potato croquette in the bread, in the sandwich. But we used to have this special food since the 1800s. So many years before McDonald's. And this is healthy. This is another different. I don't know McDonald's, but this is healthy. Show me the pane panelle and the sfincione, the spongy pizza. Wow, look at that.
I know.
com'è Michelino? Buono? Good? Bravo. Ciao Charlie, ciao. Ciao dear Sicily lovers. So, from Sicily is all today. So,
All together. Ma facciamo insieme, no?
yes, all together. So, love, out, and kisses from Sicily.